My name is Greg Madison. I wanted to let you know about some new training programs that we're offering in London. Our team of coordinators and teachers work together in an organization called London Focusing. And every 3 years or so, we start a full new training in certification in focusing oriented therapy or certified focusing professional. But before we do that, we always offer one or two introductions. And we have one at the moment scheduled for April 15th, and that's in London, followed by half a day online. The full course will start the following autumn in October, and that again will be partly in London and partly online. The whole training is taught by a team of different people, each of us with our own ideas and own orientations, perspectives towards therapy, but we are all therapists. We invite people who are training as therapists or are experienced therapists, people that already know something about focusing or people who are brand new to focusing. We invite anyone who's really interested in doing this training, either the introduction or the full course, to make contact with us. And our email is londonfocusing@gmail.com. And the website is www.londonfocusing.com. So if you're interested in joining us, learning with us, teaching us, please make contact. We look forward to seeing you.